We have 8 exercises ranging from 30 to 40 seconds, starting with a tap crunch plank. Come into a high plank position on our right side, then we're going to plant our left foot on the mat. We're going to take our right foot and tap in front of our left foot, bring that knee in for a good crunch, and then tap those toes behind your left foot, come back to a crunch, and repeat. Switching to our left side, let's come up into that plank, right foot on the mat, tap those left toes in front of your foot, crunch that knee in, then tap behind your right foot, crunch again, and repeat. Now we're going to come onto our right knee, left leg extended out to our side. Placing our hands behind our head, we're going to lean as far as we comfortably can to the right, twist to face the mat, come back to facing forward, and repeat this motion. Let's switch, putting our weight on our left knee, extending our right leg out to the side, hands behind our head, lean and twist. Now we're going to come into a high plank with our left foot against our right knee. To start, we're going to rotate that left knee, bringing it up as high as we can, and lower it back down. And then we're going to push back with our hands, raising our hips towards the ceiling. Then come back to the starting position in that high plank. If this is too much, you can just keep both feet on the mat and hold a plank, or you can move between the plank and pike position. Switch sides, right foot comes to left knee, open and close that knee, then pike up, come back to plank, and repeat. Now we're going to come back to lying on the mat, and we're going to bring our feet out to the sides, making a V with our legs. Then we're going to crunch up a little to help us keep that low back flat on the mat. Now we're going to picture drawing a rainbow with our right foot. We're going to raise it up and tap the mat next to our left foot, raise it up again, and bring it back to the starting position, and repeat. Let's do the same thing, drawing those rainbows with our left foot. for toe tap kicks. Let's sit up with our hands behind our head. Be sure to engage your core and slightly lean back. Then we're going to take our toes of our right foot and bring them to the outside of our left leg. Kick our leg up and lower it back down to the mat. Then we're going to repeat this motion with the left leg. I included an alternative for this move, placing your hands gently on the mat to help assist your core muscles in holding you up. Now we're going to come onto our right knee and bring our left leg out in front of us with our knee bent. Grab a weight and we're going to bring it around our head, going towards the right. We want to keep this slow and controlled as we draw these circles. If being on one knee is too difficult, you can kneel on both knees for this exercise. Let's switch direction. If you're on one knee, bring your weight onto your left knee. Extend that right leg out in front. Then we're going to draw circles around our head again, going to the left. Now we're going to do a Russian twist. So let's have a seat and raise our feet off the mat. Then nice and controlled, we're going to bring the weight over to our right side. Keeping our core strong, we're going to lift it up and bring it over to the left. If lifting your feet makes this too difficult, I included an alternative showing this move, keeping your heels resting on the mat. Okay guys, I know our abs are burning, but we have one more exercise to go. Place your weight just off your mat on the right side, near where your hands will be when you come into a high plank position. Now we're going to grab that weight with our right hand and pass it over to the outside of our left hand. Then we're going to grab it with our left hand and pass it back to the right, and repeat. Fantastic job, everyone. I hope you enjoyed these exercises. These moves will help you achieve a stronger core in no time. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. I make a new video each week, so be sure to check out all the videos on my channel. Thanks so much for working out with me. I will see you all again soon.